you have a lot of video in YouTube channel and now you wanted to cut your full video from YouTube channel to create a video like this, and you want to upload them as a shorts in YouTube as a shorts, and you want to upload them in Instagram, or even you want to upload them also in TikTok as well too, and you want to create a video. So this was a full video and I cut it to a small short video, and I'm going to show you right now step by step in this video how you can turn your full video to a short video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these studio leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
So very first thing is example, you just go to the YouTube channel and then you can choose any particular full video you wanted to make it to shorts. Choose that video. Then you can come into it and use this tool, en.y2mat.is.86. This is the tool. So then you can basically just copy paste the video here and you can press start, and then you can press the download, and then you will be able to download the video for free. But here's the point, you should download your own video. If you try to download other people's video and try to make it shorts and upload it here, there's a chance you may have a copyright strike. So always download your own content, okay? So now you already selected a video from your channel already. Second, now you have also downloaded the video too. The next is now making that full video to a short video. To do that one, I'll be sharing with you this template in the description of the video, so which is simple. It's basically you need the right size. Your width should be 1800 and height should be 1920 pixel. So that's the thing. I'm going to give it to the description of the video. Check it out and use the template. Feel free to do that one, and you'll be able to drag and drop, and super easy. I'll show you right now. So let's get started. So that's the template you need to get the right size. So now, as you have downloaded the video, all you need to do, basically you can select your MP4 file and just click the upload and drop it here. And after dropping your video here, you just simply click the videos. The video then your video, you'll be able to see your video here. Now, make sure that you click the white box, because if you select this one, it will be selected moving on here. You click the select one, and then you just select this video, and then you will see your video just jump in here. So as soon as the video jump into your screen, right now it will take few minutes or few seconds based on how long is your video to process this one and come to appear it here. Then all you need to do is just right click into it, and then you can set as a background. And as soon as you do that one, your video will go to background and covering the full scope like shorts. So now you double click into it, and now you'll be able to move the video in the right direction to make sure that you have your right focus of your screen. Now you can see the person is already in screen. So I have seen the video. So now what I want to do, I want to cut a particular tip of my video. And here's the point, you always need to remember your short should not be more than 58 seconds. Even better if it's 55 seconds is even better, okay? So that's why you make sure that your shorts doesn't, because anything more than 1 minute, you will not be able to qualify your video as a shorts. Well, I can click it on and bring it to even middle, because I was saying it's a little bit left. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to cut the beginning part of my video, because that's like more like an intro. The first tips, I have already made the video, so I'm gonna skip the first tips, and I'm gonna move to tip number 2, which is here. And now it's time for me to play it.
Focus on that thing. So this is the thing. What does it mean, focus? The best way to focus this one is about, normally it's called 3-hour rules. 2 hours is minimum, maximum is 4 hours, based on the size of your task of that day.
So now let's say example, I can even actually remove this part as well too, to get it even.
2 hours is minimum, maximum is 4 hours, based on the size.
So now I'm gonna see it to see how long is the video. I mean the tip number 2 finish. I can see the tip number 2 is here. So I'm gonna click it here. I'm gonna right click, and then basically I can split the page. And so now I do this one, it immediately becomes tip number 3. So now I'm gonna delete this one. So now you see the total duration of the video is almost 2 minutes. So I need to find a way to reduce the duration of the tips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the video and I'm going to find different places and try to cut. So like an example, I will just come in and I'm going to split this one and reduce the video, because my goal is that my video has to be 1 minute, can't be 2 minutes. It has to be less than 1 minute. And basically I have some ending part as well to 3 seconds. So my goal is about, I'm going to down this one to 50 seconds only. So anything not interesting, I'm going to cut it, or maybe not super interesting, and I'm only going to focus about the super interesting part. So now I'm going to do it right now. I have just done it. So now my total video is still like 1 minute longer. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to cut some places from the front here. Now let's see how it looks like.
4 hours on that particular day, and that's the time you're going to book it down in your calendar, and you're never going to do it.
So now it's 54, right? And so I can increase a little more. Now it's 55
4
seconds.
hours on that particular day, and that's the time.
I can actually go a little more as well too, because I still have some, like, now it's 58.
Book your 2 to 4 hours on that particular day.
Perfect. So now what I'm going to do it, I'm gonna come by here in the last screen, and I'm gonna fix these tips, because all the content is about what I have talking about. So the first tip is about, I have seen this, and I'm talking about book the focus hours, book in the calendar, book in the calendar. Then the next one is about keep water bottle with me. That's one of them as well too. It can help me to dehydrate it. I need to do a little more. Yes. So I'm going to select this one, and the last one is about keep food at home. I have done it. So now these are the 4 tips. Like in this video, I have focused about giving tips. So now the next thing is, I'm going to do it. I'm going to click. I'm going to download. I'm going to select MP4 video, and then I'm going to press download. It's going to take around a minute or 2 based on your internet speed to get this video downloaded to your speed. So by the time, don't be frustrated. Let it download and just wait a little bit. So I'll let it download, and then I'll get back to you. Yes. The video is downloaded, and now here you can say MP4 file is been downloaded. So here's the summary. Remember, tip number 1, first step is about, all you need to do, you have to go to the YouTube channel, select a full video which you want to turn in to a tip. So one of the great ways about the video you're talking about, tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3. So every tip you can cut it to 1 tips. So then you go to use this tool to download your video. Then you go to the templates in Canva to drag and drop to select the video, and then make sure that it's been fitted to inside 1 minute. And then all you need to do is about downloading the video by selecting MP4. Done, your video is ready. The next, what is this? Uploading this video on YouTube. So now I'm going to show you very step-by-step process how you can upload this video from even not using your phone. You can upload this video directly from your computer, or means PC or Mac, flawlessly. You want that right? Let's how to upload. Go and click the video right now, and I'll show you there step by step.